Hello everyone, welcome back to the iVisa channel, where we help you travel the world with ease and confidence. In today's video, we have a very exciting topic for you: how to apply for the Europe Schengen Visa. This is a type of visa that allows you to travel to 27 European countries that are part of the Schengen area for a short stay of up to 90 days. The Schengen area includes some of the most amazing and diverse destinations in the world, such as France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, and many more. But how can you apply for the Europe Schengen Visa? What are the requirements and procedures that you need to follow? How long does it take to get your visa? And how can you apply for the Europe Schengen Visa online using iVisa? These are just some of the questions that we're going to cover today. We'll show you how to apply for the Europe Schengen Visa in a few simple steps, and also how to avoid some common problems and mistakes that may affect your visa. And of course, we'll also share with you some of the best hidden gems in Europe that you can explore once you get your visa. So stay tuned until the end of this video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy our content. To apply for the Europe Schengen Visa, you'll need to follow these steps. Check if you need a visa. Depending on your nationality, you may or may not need a visa to enter the Schengen area. You can check if you need a visa by visiting iVisa. If you're a citizen of one of the visa-exempt countries, you can travel to the Schengen area without a visa for up to 90 days. However, you will still need to register online through the ETIAS system, which will be operational from 2023. Choose the right type of visa. There are different types of Schengen visas depending on your purpose and duration of travel. For example, there are tourist visas, business visas, transit visas, student visas, and work visas, just among others. You should choose the type of visa that best suits your travel plans and needs. Find out where and how to apply. You'll need to apply for the Schengen visa at the embassy or consulate of the country that you intend to visit, or the country where you will spend the longest period of time. If you plan to visit more than one Schengen country and the stays will be of equal length, you should apply at the embassy or consulate of the country that you will enter first. You can find out where and how to apply for the Schengen visa on this website. Prepare the required documents and information. You'll need to provide some documents and information for your Schengen visa application, such as your passport, photo, application form, fee receipt, travel insurance, proof of accommodation, proof of financial means, proof of purpose of travel, etc. The exact requirements may vary depending on the type of visa and the country that you are applying from. You can find out what documents and information you need for your Schengen visa application at iVisa.com. Submit your application and pay the fee. You will need to submit your application and pay the fee at least 15 days before your intended travel date. The fee for a standard adult Schengen visa is 80 euros. You may have to book an appointment before submitting your application. You may also have to attend an interview or provide biometric data as part of the application process. Wait for the decision and collect your passport. The processing time for a Schengen visa may vary depending on the type of visa, the country that you're applying from, and the demand for visas at any given time. Generally speaking, it takes about 15 days for a decision to be made on your Schengen visa application. However, it may take longer in some cases, especially if additional documents or verifications are needed. You can check or track your visa application status online using different methods and websites depending on where you applied. You can find out how to check or track your visa application status online on this website or at iVisa.com. Once your visa is approved, you'll receive a notification and you can collect your passport with the visa sticker from the embassy or consulate where you applied. These are the main steps that you need to follow to apply for the Europe Schengen Visa. However, you may encounter some challenges or difficulties while applying for this visa, such as technical issues with the online system or network connection, delays or errors in processing or delivering your application or passport, difficulty in finding or verifying your confirmation number or tracking number, rejection or denial of your visa due to insufficient or incorrect document or evidence, fraud or scams by people who claim to help you with your visa application. These challenges or difficulties can cause you a lot of stress and frustration and may even affect your travel plans. That's why we recommend applying with iVisa instead of applying by yourself. iVisa is a trusted and reliable service that can help you with your Europe Schengen Visa application process. Here are some of the benefits of applying with iVisa. You don't have to deal with a complicated and confusing online system. Instead, you just have to complete a simple and easy application form on iVisa's website, where you only have to provide some basic information and upload a photo of yourself. You don't have to pay any extra fees or charges. Instead, you just have to pay a one-time service fee that covers everything from submitting your application to receiving your passport with the visa sticker. You don't have to worry about losing or forgetting your confirmation number or tracking number. Instead, iVisa will keep track of your application and send you email updates and notifications on the status of your application and your visa. You don't have to risk getting rejected or denied. Instead, iVisa will increase your chances of getting approved by reviewing your application for accuracy and completeness, and by supporting you throughout the entire process. As you can see, applying with iVisa is much simpler and more convenient than applying by yourself. You will save time, money, and energy, and you will have a higher probability of getting your visa without any problems. Plus, you'll also get access to other features and benefits that iVisa offers, such as customer support via chat, phone, or email, multiple payment options, secure and encrypted platform that protects your personal and financial data, flexible and affordable plans that suit your needs and budget, free updates and notifications on the status of your application, easy cancellation. So what are you waiting for? Apply for the Europe Schengen Visa with iVisa today and get ready to explore the amazing hidden gems in Europe that we're about to show you. Europe is a continent that offers a variety of attractions and experiences for travelers of all kinds. You probably already know about some of the most popular places to visit in Europe, but did you know that there are also many hidden gems in Europe that are less crowded, less expensive, and more unique? These are some of the best secret spots in Europe that you should definitely check out once you get your visa. These are just some of the best hidden gems in Europe that you can visit with the Europe Schengen Visa. There are many more secret places in Europe that are waiting for you to discover them. So don't miss this opportunity to travel to Europe with ease and confidence. Apply for the Europe Schengen Visa with iVisa today and enjoy a simpler and faster process that will save you time and hassle. That's all for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let us know what topics you would like us to cover in the future. We appreciate your feedback and support. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, happy travels!